BSE shares rose over 4% after international brokerage Jefferies upgraded its rating on Asia's oldest post to a hold call. According to the brokerage, BSE stands to benefit from strong growth tailwinds for India's capital markets. Shares of Adani Energy Solutions jumped over 12% on January 14th after the firm announced its operational updates for the October-December quarter of FY25. The company also announced that it has won 2 new projects during the quarter. Shares of Piramal Enterprises rose after the company announced that it received $140 million from the sale of molecular imaging business by Life Healthcare. This is expected to be completed by FY26. In addition to the $140 million, Piramal Enterprises may further receive payments in the coming years based on the eligible profits and future earnouts from Imaging Group, with a maximum earning potential of $200 million. Shares of REC and Power Finance Corporation climbed up as much as 5% intraday on January 14th after JSW Energy emerged as the winning bidder for the KSK Mahanandi Power under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code. Shares of MGL settled higher after international brokering firm Morgan Stanley initiated coverage on the city gas distribution player Mahanagar Gas with an overweight tag. The brokerage also issued a target price of ₹1,606, which implies a 31% upside from the previous session's closing price. Shares of HCL Tech plunged up to 9% in trade today after brokerages remained on the sideline following HCL Tech's Q3 earnings. Though in line with expectations, the results failed to deliver further upside triggers. Shares of Angel One fell after the company reported its smallest quarterly profit increase since listing in 2020 as tighter regulations in the derivatives sector weighed on its performance. The company reported a third quarter profit that rose 8% to ₹281 crore from a year earlier. However, on a sequential basis, profit fell 33.5%. Shares of United Spirits fell following the announcement of a leadership transition as part of its CEO succession plan. Macquarie analysts highlighted that the smoothness of the transition will be closely monitored and assigned an underperform rating on the stock, with a target price of ₹1,175 per share, which suggests a downside potential of 16%. Shares of gaming firm Delta Corp declined over 3% in trade today after the company reported its weak third quarter performance for the fiscal year 25. The online gaming firm posted a modest 3.5% on-year increase in net profit to 35 crore, while revenue dragged actually 7.5% year-on-year to ₹194 crore. Shares of Anand Rathi Wealth dropped about 6% intraday after the company reported a weak earnings show for the October-December quarter. The wealth management firm's revenue from operations in Q3 stood at ₹237 crore. This marks a fall of about 2% from the year-ago period.